Welcome to the Real Estate Sales Builder Program. I'm Jan O'Brien, your coach and trainer. This is the overview and download section of Module 1, the fundamentals of real estate and your business plan. In this module, you're going to learn the fundamentals of what it means to be a successful real estate professional. We will cover the required mindset, skills, character traits, and daily disciplines for success. Additionally, you will customize a real estate business plan to meet your individual goals for the year. Let's go through what the lessons are for Module 1. Clearly, you're here in the overview and downloads. Next, we're going to talk about real estate agent job description and all the skills necessary to really be a great real estate agent. The character traits for real estate success. Want to cover common mistakes agents make and how to avoid them. Next will be the 4 guiding principles to help you make the best decisions for your real estate business. Then it's key tools and systems for a profitable business. Then I'm going to get into the business planning section of our Module 1, starting with writing SMART goals in all areas of your life, determining the SMART way, basically, to determine your income and closing goals, then a business success action plan, how to track your results, your pendings, and your closings, and then we'll actually do a tutorial on the business plan that we have for you in this module. Daily disciplines to reach your goals is the last module before we get to the Let's Get to Work lesson. Every one of our modules here in the Real Estate Sales Builder program will always end with Let's Get to Work. And in the Let's Get to Work is your checklist and your action plan to make things happen, to implement any strategies, tactics that we talk about in each of the modules of this program. Okay, that's it. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. See you in the next lesson.